Where did everyone sneeze? Do not sneeze. We're gonna become shut up. DJ, let me check. Hold up. I'll find that. Oh my god. Let's go. Look at inside the bed. Yeah, I don't know. I hope Marty gets it. You're not gonna be infected. Okay, we're complete. Alright, we're Pandy bus. Don't scream. You might be confounded. I don't know. I'm gonna slap you with the belt. Quiet. I don't know. Get out of the belt. You're not I don't know. Wait, be solid. Be solid. I'm the solid. Wait, we're B. I don't know what solid is. We're B from Florida to Cali. I'm gonna get you. Yeah, I'm gonna get you guys. What did you don't know how to be? And oh my god, you're gonna come. Oh my god, is that a bee? Oh no, I'm gonna get you. Why is this baby so loud? I got sting. Man, I'm gonna. I hope you're not gonna do Pandy. Pandy, you're back. Monster. I'm a monster. Well, cure him. I'm too terrified about my drink. Yeah, that cures. I'll give you a potion. Cures you. Okay, I don't know how to do it. Give you a DJ. DJ. You don't know how to do it, right? Shut up. It's okay, you got it. Shut up. I'm gonna take a minute. He's gonna go. Whisper. He's gonna. Okay, we're done whispering. Do something with I think Marty will give you a drink to clear time. Yeah, drink that potion, I guess. Okay. Oh, yeah, give me a grip. Yeah, you're back to normal. Give me a grip. Let's give you a grip. You're back. We're acting like Pandy. Safe.